Hi, it's Jenny showing how to use the baby bear stamp set. There's one bear and 3 PJs that can be stamped on the bear, 2 different eyes and a night hat. I will link to all the products in the description area below, as well as our Instagram and Facebook group. All the new Sunshine and Bee design stamps are available as pre-order right now, with the release date of the 25th of February 2020. I find it easier to line up the PJs if I stamp the bear first, but you could stamp the clothing first. It depends on which way you find easier. I'll stamp the star PJs first, and I'll line up the arm, leg and tail areas. The lines you need for the curve on the back leg are on the bear stamp. The star pattern has some stars cut off where it would be on the bear. I'll take some close-up photographs and share them on Instagram. I've cut out parts of the video where my head gets in the way. You need to be right over the stamp to make sure it's lined up correctly. I'll stamp the sleepy eyes on this bear. For my next bear, I stamped the hat first, covered it with masking paper, then stamped the bear and the solid PJs. The solid PJs are the stamp with the 3 sets of double lines. I stamped the nightlight and drew a table with some Copic markers and made this into a little scene. My stripy bear has some more masking. I stamped the snuggle blanket first, then the baby bear, then the teddy bear. I used the open eyes on the bear, so I picked the sentiment, "Welcome to the world of no sleep." For the bear with the stars, I just added more stars around the background. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and join the group over on Facebook. The links will be below. Here are some more videos. Bye!